Hi guys! Welcome back to Tarot Page Philippines. So, for this video, gawin natin yung weekly horoscope para po sa may mga Sun, Moon, and Rising na Leo for October 20 to 26. So, kung bago kayo, subscribe, like, and share. At kung hindi mo alam kung ano yung Sun, Moon, at Rising sign mo, kasi importante siya, at the end of the video, may link po tayo para dito. Remember, the readings are for guidance purposes, so use your free will wisely. And kung gusto mong magpa-schedule ng private readings or spellworks, or you want to donate using GCash Maya, the details are in the description below, or you can use the thanks button sa baba. Leo, my dear, how are you? Taray, so we have here is the card of strength. So, just a trivia, this is your ruling card. So, kasi ang ruling planet mo, in astrology kasi, Sun is considered as a planet. So, this is your ruling planet. So, this is your ruling card. So, ayan na nga. Favorite natin, Leo, is to be in the center of everything. Well, this is a moment kasi na medyo siguro transits kasi din eh. Hindi ko lang kabisado yung transits ngayon. There are movements right now or placements that's allowing you to be on the center of everything. Good. Nasa yung spotlight ngayon. So, namnamin mo siya and use it to your advantage. You make sure na magagamit mo siya to the point na may poposition mo yung sarili mo na ikaw yung nasa limelight. Again, this is a good time for you to shine. Yung sinasabi ng universe. Kasi andito na sa dami naman pinanggalingan mo before na parang changes, yung mga iba sa inyo nagkaroon ng sakit or you lost some finances or at sa point na nagkaroon iba sa inyo na na-turn around talaga yung life nyo. This is time for you to bumawi ka naman para sa sarili mo. This is a moment that you will be making sure that you are the one na magiging gitna ng bawat lahat. Okay? Now, what's crossing you? Three of Swords. So, ito na nga. Yung crossing mo kasi sa Three of Swords is just a reminder na, alam mo bakit, ang weird lang ako, bakit nagkakaroon ka ng self-doubt? Bakit andoon na you're thinking na, ang dami mong baka, ang dami mong what if, ang dami mo na, kasi, kaya mo ba mauubos yun? Ang dami mong dahilan. Tapos iba sa inyo, kasi yung mga dahilan, paano pag ginawa ko to or nag-focus ako dito? Sinong gagawa nito? Sinong gagawa niyan? Meron yan. Kaya na walang gumagawa kasi nandun ka. But leave it behind, tingnan mo, may pupunan yan. May magpupuna dyan. Merong gagawang iba. Merong hahalili sa ginagawa mo. Andun na kailangan mong bigyan ng chance others. Bigyan mo yung sarili mo ng chance na yun, ibigay mo naman sa iba yung baton. Dami mo responsibility kasi ng ginagawa, hindi naman dapat ginagawa eh. The question is, dapat ba talagang ginagawa mo yun o inako mo na lang kasi nga being a Leo, kailangan na meron ka nagagawa palagi, diba? Now, your desire card is the card of the Star. Okay, so the card of the Star. So this is associated with Aquarius. Ang pinapaalala sa'yo yung desire card mo is pinapaalala na you need to find a way for you to be able to redirect yourself. Kasi, eto na yun eh, meron kang end goal, okay? But the thing is, things are changing. Meron ini-introduce ang universe sa'yo. It could be in your business, in your personal life, pwede in your spiritual life, in your finances. May ini-introduce ang universe sa'yo. And this is a good time for you to evaluate ulit. Tama pa ba yung mga decisions mo? Tama pa ba na yun ang end goal mo? Kasi may shift na nangyayari in your life right now. And this shift have a very profound change sa mga sa future mo. Not to mention doon sa path na tinatahak mo. Kasi pwedeng para sa ngayon, ito yung future mo. Pero the thing, andun yung point na hindi, babaguhin to eh. Meron pang iba. May bubukas na bagong doors yung universe and that will allow you to see more further. Pwedeng ang plano mo lang is the next 5 years. Eh, papakita ng universe sa'yo in the next 20, 40, or 50 years from now. So, it's time that you allow yourself to be open sa mga ganung bagay.
Anong favor ba?
So, we have here, yung foundation mo is the card of the Temperance. When it comes to knowledge, maging open. Ito yung moment na knowledge, usan akong magiging problem. Matay ko question din sa'yo eh. The thing is, ito na. Meron mga tao kasi na i-introduce sa yung universe that para maintindihan mo sila, tuturuan ka nila, tuturuan, tuturuan ka nila, tuturuan ka nila, tuturuan ka nila para andoon na meron sila i-share sa'yo. And medyo sabi natin, hindi sila yung typical na mga magtuturo sa'yo. Yung mga tipong not conventional, pwedeng mas bata sa'yo, or yung tipong less experience sila. Pero kasi doon mong wag i-judge yung universe, kasi even the simplest things can be used by the universe para turuan tayo sa mga bagay-bagay. Even yung mga tao sa paligid natin. Kaya nga sa Book of Proverbs, sinabi niya, sabi ng writer ng Proverbs, look at to the lazy, tingnan mo yung mga langgam, paano sila magtrabaho, wala naman silang leader, pero alam mo yung ginagawa nila. So, ito din yun. Because in the past, we have here is the Two of Swords. So, a lot of you guys sa past, medyo parang sabihin natin na, kasi nga, may nagturo, ganyan, or may nag-lead, may may nag-mentor, na, okay, yung sinabi kasi na ganito eh. So, blindly, sumusunod tayo. I mean, guilty din naman ako doon. Sumusunod tayo. So, andun yung point na ito na yung binibigyan ka ng universe ng capacity to also use yung sarili mong logic to explore and to find your own reality, to find your own truth. Kasi pinapakita ng cards dito that time, may mga nararamdaman ka na parang something is wrong or something is amiss or parang hindi nag-resonate sa akin tong bagay na to. Or parang kinu-question mo, but because andun yung pinairal mo yung, kasi kailangan ko magtiwala kasi siya nagtuturo sa akin. Sinet aside mo yon, but the thing is, it was the universe telling you, questionin mo. Now, that was in the past. Now, moving forward, possible future na ikaw is the Six of Cups. So, this card is advising din na, sinasabi ng cards dito na, it's time for you to set aside yung utang na loob, yung emotions. Medyo, you need to be strict. Marami naman sa inyo naging strict before as a Leo. But this time, medyo mas magiging strict ka, mas magiging refine ka. Kasi andoon yung point na may clarity ka makuha na alam mong for that moment is ma-reach mo. Kailangan kang merong mga bagay na i-trim. Kumbaga sa bonsai, para mas maganda siya, para mas mahal siya pag binenta, talagang grabe yung magiging training mo doon sa puno para maging unique and maganda yung presentation niya. So, kung nakarelate ka sa ating reading, invite kita to subscribe, like, and share. But for now, let's check the rest of your cards. Your emotional environment is we have here is the card of the Empress. Well, hindi ko alam kung iba sa inyo, but this may not be para sa lahat. Pero yung for those na wala pang relationship, you might find a relationship, but this relationship hindi ito nakatali lang sa magiging jowa. It could be a friend, it could be a best friend, it could be a pet. Kung naghahanap kayo, pwede din na this is also a rekindling ng relationship niyo with your family or someone special, or this could be a new person. But for those in a relationship, we're seeing here now, medyo magle-level up yung ang relationship na meron kayo. So, if you're thinking na parang iba sa inyo, you're planning to move in together, or maging exclusive, or even marriage, this is a good time to talk about it. Talk muna talk. Kasi the physical environment is saying that with the Ace of Wands, ang dami ka pang aasikasuhin. So, may mga kumbaga sa projects, you still have a lot of deadlines, and there will still be some projects that will be coming along the way. So, just a reminder na planning is talking about the future is good. So, because that will be the start of the implementation ng mga changes na yon or the movements na kailangan yung gawin. Now, your hopes and fears is the Ten of Swords. Ayun lang, huwag mo overthink, ha? Kasi mamaya may overplan mo naman, matarantang itik na naman tayo. Kumaga, kalma. This is a moment for you to take that leap of faith. Pag sinabi ng universe sa'yo, lipad, saan lilipad? Pag sinabi ng universe sa'yo, stay, huwag ka na makulit, stay ka. Kaya ganun nangyayari din sa'yo, eh. Medyo ayusin mo yung buhay mo, ha? Bait-bait tayo. Remember, the universe remember there's a saying na all things will work together for good. So, kaya naman ang hinahaya ng universe yun because all of them will lead to something good. Because in the future, we have here is the Queen of Swords. Doon magkakaroon talaga ng revamp in terms of sa mga alam mo. I-revamp ng universe yung mga naintindihan mo, yung mga bagay na yung mga tinuro sa'yo. And the revamp will be in a form of yung tipong hindi mo alam or alam mo na siya, but the thing is, ayusin siya. Parang sabihin natin, improve. So, be open to those changes kasi very soon na to. I'm thinking na parang in the next 3 to 4 weeks baka mangyari na to. So, ando na once you got the urge na makinig ka sa taong to or intindihin mo to, wag mo na ipang pabukas. Go into it. Kasi it is a stepping stone to something bigger pa and better. So I hope nakatulong yung readings. Tandaan, yung readings are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. And again, if you're new, subscribe, like, and share. So guys, Leo, maraming salamat sa iyo. God bless, Namaste, Hare Krishna, and blessed be. And hope to see you very soon. Mula po dito sa Ililica in Baguio City. You have a great day. I'll see you soon. Bye!